Yo, what's up guys? Right here we got the GeekSmart L-B201 fingerprint door lock. Yes, you use your fingerprint to unlock the door. It's a smart home device. My home is getting smart and I'm super pumped to get this thing unboxed and see what we get inside this GeekSmart L-B201 fingerprint door lock. This thing can unlock a door with your fingerprint in a fraction of a second. Actually 0.1 second to be more precise. It can store up to 20 fingerprints. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Ha! Unboxing. Yes, the GeekSmart L-B201 fingerprint door lock. We got the manual right here. We got some other warranty card information right here. We got a cross. Oh no, this is part of the box. So it looks like a cross, but it's just part of the box. You got 2 mechanical keys. So these are backups in case this thing runs out of battery. You can always unlock it with the mechanical key. You gotta have that just in case, you know, batteries do run out. We got some accessories right here. Let's go ahead and open up this accessory bag and see what we get inside. We got the USB cable, USB-A to micro USB, so you can charge the door lock for emergency use. We got some official certification right here of inspection. We got the strike part right here. We got some long screws for installation and some short screws for installation. That's pretty much it. Installation looks like it's gonna be a piece of cake. Inside the box, we got our latch right here. This is the latch mechanism. We got the inside handle right here. This part has the fingerprint reader. So with this fingerprint reader, it can unlock within a fraction of a second. Also, this is the outside part, right? So we have the little keyhole right here. This keyhole is for those mechanical keys in case you run out of battery and you still need to unlock and get in. We got the inside handle right here. This one has a button right here so you can lock or unlock your door just like a normal door lock. But you also have this little pinhole right here. That little pinhole right there, there's a little tiny pinhole inside right there. That's how you're able to set your 2 admin accounts as well as your 20 fingerprints user accounts. Pretty awesome. And you also get 2 gaskets that will help protect your door. And that's it. Installation is pretty simple. It looks like we got 8 bolts, a strike plate, 2 handles, put them together, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. That is the L-B201 by GeekSmart fingerprint door lock unboxing. Oh yes, and one thing I definitely want to verify is that fingerprint thing right here. Does it work for kids' fingerprint as well? And yes, it does work for adult fingerprints as well as kids' fingerprint. Guys, this really is the future in biometric door locks for you and your family. GeekSmart's got you locked and loaded.